Increased regulations and customer demands in the insurance industry can mean more stress, including higher demand in IT, unorganized or disconnected workflows, and less time for progress and innovation. But it doesn't have to. With a low-code development platform like TIBCO Cloud Live Apps, business developers are able to turn their ideas into fully functional, enterprise-scale applications in just minutes. Because Live Apps was created with the business user in mind, creating your application is super fast, simple, and intuitive. For the insurance industry, this means real-time insights and actions at any scale and improved claim processing involving participants across the ecosystem. With Live Apps, you can extend your claim processing systems and enhance areas of your process such as auto repair, quotes, and adjustments. Users can quickly bring these capabilities under the same roof and drive seamless collaboration for quick resolution. At TIBCO, we fuel your digital transformation by enabling you with the right tools for smarter decisions and faster actions. If you want to watch us build an automobile claim processing app, sign up for the demo. Get started with Live Apps today.